Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. You definitely got some work in the back. It's tearing it up.
Yeah. It's always a work in progress.
Oh, yeah. So does it do better doors or windows up, down?
Up.
Sealed? Okay.
Yep, sealed. Like there's got a lot of vibrations back here. It's just my vents. Everything is so loose.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Jacob.
How you doing? Yes, sir. JacobViral.
I'm a subscriber, man.
Thanks for watching, man. Nice. Oh, you got some good kill mat dynamite. Have you done the roof too?
Well, no. I ended up vibrating off everything, so that's just kind of how it sits now.
Yeah.
So I got 212 HTC 4s.
Okay.
Star RP 4500. I can get the seat bed for you here.
Oh, so you can see the amp stage?
Yeah.
Who built the box?
That is a glue it and screw it box from
GP.
Company in Missouri.
Yeah, I see the GP logo.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah, GP. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
nice. What is it wired to?
2 ohms.
Okay. Do you have any extra batteries or alternator upgrade?
I got lithium on the side over there.
Okay.
I can pop open the door.
Yeah, I'll go look at it. Yeah, let's go check it out. Is there if I look at the back first?
Yeah, sure.
Awesome. Have you done any kind of SPL test on it?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I like this is my daily driver. I just like to play it.
Yeah, man. Very nice. So what size lithium?
That is 4 cells. They're like 3 point something, but it turned into a 12 volt. And then that is also a 12 volt lithium battery there. That was just from like a medical machine.
Okay.
So I got 140 amp hours of lithium. 2 AGMs under the hood.
Nice. That looks really good.
Thank you.
I like it. And I like that you got this so it doesn't move or slide at all.
Yeah.
That helped a lot.
That's right.
Appreciate you showing me, man. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. You definitely got some work in the back. It's tearing it up.
Yeah. It's always a work in progress.
Oh, yeah. Are these the 3-inch voice coil? 4-inch.
Yeah,
Okay.
HTC 4s. Yeah.
Wow, really punchy. Awesome.
Yeah, they're awesome.
They're handling the power. What's your name?
Ralph.
Ralph. All right, Ralph.
Was never enough because then they give me needed with the tuned up. A nostril, we pop pills, a fuel bar, finding out this caliber, but you done so wash. So I need to go and take a peek. They should lock me up a door with the key and put me in the seat. They say they don't like the way I'm speaking. Fuck the niggas love the H. For R-E. Here it comes in the line.
Yes, sir, man. Definitely, it likes the high 30, low 40 hertz range. Yeah. Nice work, man. Are these the 3-inch voice coil? Orange. Okay. Wow, really punchy. Awesome. Yeah, they're awesome. They're handling the power. Thank you very much for the demo.
No problem.
You have a good day. What was your name?
Ralph.
Ralph. All right, Ralph.
Thank you.
Oh, nice, your lights turned on. Like, that's pretty cool. All right.